Hello everyone and welcome to our complete Python programming course. This is the day 1 of our Python series. If you are a diploma student, degree student, engineering student, BCA, BSc, MCA student or someone who wants to learn programming from scratch, this course is designed for you. In this series, we will start from the absolute basic and gradually move towards advanced topics such as object-oriented programming, database connectivity, data science, machine learning, and real-world projects. Today's session is the foundation of Python programming. So pay attention to every topic because a strong foundation will make advanced topics much easier. Let's begin our Python journey. Now let's understand what Python actually is. Python is a very high level programming language. A programming language is a way for humans to communicate with computers. Computers do not understand English, Marathi or Hindi. They understand instructions written in a programming languages. Python is one of the easiest programming language to learn. Its syntax is simple and easy to read. That is why beginners across the world choose a Python as their first programming language. Today, Python is used by students, software developers, data scientists, researchers, and large companies because of its simplicity and power. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Many students ask, why should I learn Python? The first reason is simplicity. Python code looks very clean and easy to understand. The second reason is career opportunities. Python developers are in a demand across many industries. The third reason is versatility. With one language, you can build websites, automate tasks, analyze data, create artificial intelligence system, and much more. Python is also widely used in a college and universities. Many engineering and computer science students use Python for practical work. Learning Python today can open many career opportunities in the future. Let's learn a little about the history of Python. Python was created by the programmer named Guido van Rossum. He started developing Python in the late 1980s and the first official version was released in 1991. His goal was to create a programming language that was easy to read and easy to use. Interestingly, the name Python was inspired by a comedy television show called Monty Python's Flying Circus. Today, Python has grown into one of the most successful programming languages in the world. Millions of developers use a Python every day. Now let's discuss some important features of Python. The first feature is the simplicity. Python code is easy to write and understand. The second feature is that Python is open source. This means anyone can download and use it for free. The third feature is platform independence. Python programs can run on Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. Python also supports object-oriented programming, which helps developers build large applications efficiently. Another major advantage is huge collection of libraries available in a Python. These libraries help us perform complex tasks with less coding. Because of this feature, Python is widely used across the industry. Where is Python used? Actually, Python is used almost everywhere. Python is used in web development to build a website and web application. It is used in artificial intelligence and machine learning to create intelligent systems. Data scientists use Python for analyzing data and creating reports. Python is also used for automation, where repetitive tasks can be completed automatically. Cybersecurity professionals use Python for testing and security analysis. Game developers use Python to create games. Because of this application, Python is considered one of the most versatile programming language. Many world-famous companies use Python. Google uses Python for various internal systems and applications. Instagram is built using Python technology. Netflix uses Python for automation and recommendation systems. Spotify uses Python to analyze music data and user behavior. YouTube also uses Python in many parts of its infrastructure. Even NASA uses Python for a scientific and research purpose. When such a large organization trusts Python, it clearly shows the power and reliability of this language. Now let's install Python on our computer. Open your web browser and search for a Python. Visit the official website, download the latest version suitable for your operating system, run the installer, During installation, make sure to select the option called Add Python to Path. This step is very important because it allows Python to run from the command prompt. After that, click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Once installation is finished, Python is ready to use. Next, we need a code editor. One of the most popular code editor is Visual Studio Code, commonly called VS Code. Download and install VS Code. After opening VS Code, go to the extensions, search for a Python, install the official Python extension. Now create a new folder for your Python codes. Inside that folder, create a new file with the extension .py. For example, hello.py. Now your Python development environment is ready. It is the time to write our first Python program. Type the following code: print in bracket double quotes hello world. This statement tells Python to display the text hello world on the screen. Save the file and run the program. You should see the output hello world. Congratulations, you have successfully written your first Python program. This is the first step in your programming journey. Now let's understand the print function. The print function is used to display information on the screen. For example, print in bracket double quotes welcome to Python. When this program runs, Python displays the text inside the question marks. We can use print to display message, numbers, calculations, and results. Almost every Python program uses the print function. It is one of the most important functions for beginners. Let's learn about comments. Comments are notes written inside a program for a human to read. Python ignores comments during execution. For a single line comment, we use hash symbol. Example, this is a comment. For multiple line comment, we can use triple quotes. Comments make program easier to understand and maintain. Professional programmers use comments to explain important parts of their code. Let's create a simple project. We will display student information. Print name Amit, print college XYZ, print branch computer. When we run these programs, the student details appear on the screen. This project helps us practice multiple print statements. It is simple but very useful for beginners. Let's create another mini project. Print Shri Engineering classes, print Python course. This program displays the information about the class. You can modify this program by adding your own name, college, course, or city. Experimenting with a small program is the best way to learn programming. Congratulations on completing day 1. Today we learn what is Python, why Python is popular, history of Python, features of Python, applications of Python, companies using Python, Python installation, VS Code setup, our first Python program, the print function, comments in Python, and 2 simple mini projects. This is just the beginning of an exciting Python journey. In day 2, we will learn variables and data types with the practical examples. Thank you for watching. If you found this session useful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for the next session.